I'm Tim from Tim Marner Branding Agency in Bolton, and today we're giving you another little behind the scenes into one of our latest projects for Nick and Lou Phillips and their new online training platform, LUV Fitness Studios. So stay tuned to see how and why we changed this into this. So the story starts with a Zoom consultation with this amazing inspirational couple, Nick and Lou Phillips. Two die-hard Mancunians whose fitness business could have gone under in no time at all after coronavirus locked down their gym. Nick and Lou told us how they had a gym in Radcliffe called Hub Fitness and had to close the doors on March the 23rd due to the coronavirus. But rather than just sit back and see what might happen, Nick and Lou, with a true Hub community behind them, sharing their passion for both fitness and the Manchester scene, created a new virtual Hub Live platform during lockdown and were now looking to build their brand's reputation and gain more members. From the Zoom consultation, Nick and Lou knew they were in good hands and understood that we got what they wanted to do, so they gave us the green light to go ahead. The only problem we had was that Hub Live sounded more red light than green light to other people, obviously. That when we said the brand name, it conjured visions of girls and guys and girls on girls. You get what I mean? So we needed a new brand name, something that will communicate Nick and Lou's brand message of fitness not being a chore, but an enjoyable part of your lifestyle fueled by passion, excitement and raw energy. So this is where we start with the brand name, creating something that says passion, excitement and raw energy. One of Nick and Lou's products they already had and does really well for them is LUV Cycle, spelled LUV. And we really like this as it says everything that we wanted the brand to feel. So the idea we had was to call the brand LUV Fitness Studios as an umbrella and have all the classes fitting underneath this, like LUV Cycle, LUV Boxing, LUV HIIT and so on. LUV Fitness Studios is a shock to the system. If you're looking for an airy-fairy trainers who will pat you on the back for a mediocre performance, then you're in the wrong place. LUV isn't here to be liked. They're here to get you results. Like any good coach, they're firm but fair. They'll force you out of your comfort zone, and some days you might hate them. It's a love-hate thing, but they've always got your back. The glue that holds LUV Fitness Studios together is respect. Respect for the passion and the dedication of the trainers who deliver barbaric interactive classes. Respect for fellow members for putting themselves through the same pain and testing their limits. But most importantly, respect for yourself, for training and maintaining a healthy mind and body. This mutual respect between everyone at LUV Fitness Studios facilitates a close-knit team environment that allows people to become victorious. With this in mind, we wanted LUV to stand for something more than just hearts and a feel-good hug or some romantic social media-inspired getaway for two, but to redefine the word love and use it as a mantra, a battle cry that will be heard from any true warrior about to go to war. And Live Undefeated and Victorious was forged out of passion, excitement and the raw energy that the brand is built on. The LUV logo has taken inspiration from the way LUV Fitness Studios deliver their classes, an energetic Nasty Beats nightclub feel. We tightly combine the three letters, transforming them into a symbol, a glyph that has much deeper meaning than just the words and letters themselves. It's a symbol, a badge, a mark, the warrior's paint that people can wear with pride. The way the letters of the logo are glued and sit together represents how LUV Fitness Studios is a tight-knit warrior family. The way in which the U is encased between the L and the V communicate how love puts you in the middle and will always look after you, providing an experience that is raw, energetic and beneficial to your overall health and mental state. And this is it, a new brand name and a new brand visual identity for our friends Nick and Lou over at LUV Fitness Studios. Go follow LUV Fitness Studios on Instagram and see what they are about. And even it's just to watch Nick every morning, because this is seriously one inspirational fella. The online fitness industry is saturated with tedious traditional exercise classes, deprived of any real personality or substance. Thankfully, LUV Fitness Studios do things a little bit differently.